Hey guys, welcome to Delicious Goodies. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, mouth-watering and flavorful garlic butter salmon with sauteed vegetable on the side. This garlic butter salmon recipe is very easy to make and very suitable as a simple and quick meal recipe for you and your family. On this channel I bring you weekly videos on simple and quick yet tasty and delicious homemade recipes that you enjoy making, so please subscribe for more videos like this to come. So we're going to start to prep our vegetables. For the sauteed vegetable I'm using a range of rainbow color bell peppers, red, green, yellow bell peppers, and one large onion. I chop the bell peppers in medium size to large square sizes, but you can do according to your preference, how you prefer to chop them, okay? And just to take note, these peppers have been washed, so please ensure to wash your vegetables properly before cooking them. So next, I'm seasoning about 2 pounds of fresh wild-caught salmons. I'm using organic olive oil, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika for a nice and smoky flavor to the salmon once they are ready. Then about 1 teaspoon of organic powdered garlic, of course, right? Remember, we are making garlic butter salmon, so it will be pointless to season our salmon without using garlic, right? Then I'm using about 1 teaspoon of basil leaves and 2 Maggie cubes. And just so you know, I'm eyeballing the ingredients because I've been doing this for so long, so I know what equivalence in measurements. But if you're uncertain about what measurement it calls for, then please use a measuring spoon to be precise. And just massage all the ingredients together so the salmon should be well marinated. Cover with a plastic wrap and keep it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to marinate. Meanwhile, I'm starting to saute my veggies using about 2 tablespoons of organic olive oil. Add the onions first and fry for about 2 minutes until it starts to sweat. Then I go in with the veggies. I'm using 2 cups of frozen cauliflower and then 2 cups of frozen broccoli as well. I should have thawed it earlier but forgot to do so. So please use room temperature vegetables so you don't have to leave your veggies on the stove for longer and overcook your veggies. Okay? I just forgot to do that. So next time I'll remember to leave them out to thaw for a bit longer before cooking them. So because these vegetables are frozen, I'm going to cook them for about 5 minutes total, which would otherwise have been cooked for about 3 minutes. And I'm adding coconut soy amino, that's about half cup, 2 Maggie cubes for added flavor, and our rainbow bell peppers going last. And at this point, you don't want to overcook them, as the bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, which can be destroyed easily by heat. So I'm going to cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes max on medium to low heat, and our veggies will be all done. You just want to keep stirring so everything cooks evenly. So it's been 2 minutes and our veggies are ready at this point. And next to the salmon that has been marinated for 30 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan. I'm using a cast iron pan, which gives it a nice texture and color to the salmon, but you can use any other kind of pan you have. It's just a preference. Add the salmon one at a time and let that cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. I like a little char to the salmon, but you can reduce the cook time to 3 minutes if you don't like to have that golden brown color when the salmons are done. Do what's best for you, okay? It's how you love it. And if you are watching this video so far at this point and liking the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe by hitting the red subscription bell down there so you don't miss a single video from me again. So right now I'm just flipping sides. It's been 5 minutes, flipping side for the other side to cook. This is just how I like my pan roasted salmons to look. It's not burnt, they are just so soft and juicy. So flavorful, delicious, and lip-smacking garlic butter salmon. I guarantee you devour these in less than no time and wanting more. And our salmons are good and done at this point. Just dishing out everything, looking very good and taste amazing. Please make sure to try this garlic butter salmon recipe. You'll be glad you did. It's very delicious and juicy. You can eat it with rice, potatoes, quinoa, or just as is. Trust me, you enjoy eating it. And there you have it. Our garlic butter salmon recipe is all done. Hope you all found some value in this video and enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like the video, leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel, share this video to your friends and family, and don't forget to turn on your post notification. That way you'll be among the first to be notified whenever a new video goes live. And until next time, stay loving, stay positive, stay kind. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.